Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is both easy and gorgeous. Launched in India on February 9, 2022, the S22 series mobile headliner has striking features and impressive specifications. It's not just the first S-series phone to include Samsung's S Pen. With this flagship, there's so much more going on, as Samsung tries to exceed its past achievements. Well, this review on the Galaxy S22 Ultra shows that Samsung knows just how to make a flagship phone for power users with a ton of upgrades. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. This phone features precise, squared-off angles with cameras that are not contained in a honking hump. They are more flush with the handset's rear. The overall appearance is clean and minimalist. Also, the 6.8-inch display is softly curved, which adds looks without causing inadvertent screen strokes. However, moving the cursor to the farthest left or right edge of the screen might be challenging at times. Despite indicating a bigger screen than Apple's 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max, the S22 Ultra weighs 8.07 ounces versus 8.5 ounces. The Galaxy S22 Ultra in 8GB and 128GB version starts at $1,199. It costs $1,299 to upgrade to 256GB, $1,399 to upgrade to 512GB, and $1,599 to upgrade to 1TB. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is currently available for purchase in black, white, green, and burgundy. The bigger phone is available in graphite, sky blue, and red online. The Galaxy S22 Ultra feels solid and durable, as it should, giving its protective metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus back. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung has raised the bar in display quality. You get a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, which provides for smooth scrolling. In addition, gamers will like the 240Hz touch sampling rate. There are also two noticeable display improvements with the Samsung 22 Ultra. The first is that the panel boasts a maximum brightness of 1750 nits, which may be the most we've ever seen. Secondly is a new Vision Booster feature, which can change the screen's brilliance on the fly throughout the day. This implies that you should use the S22 Ultra outside, even in direct sunlight. The Galaxy S22 Ultra delivers the cleanest S Pen experience yet, thanks to Samsung's reduction of a delay from 9 milliseconds to 2.8 milliseconds. The nicest part is that you don't need to use a poor case to house the S Pen as you did with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra employs artificial intelligence to predict your hand movements and provides a pen and paper sensation. When taking notes, the writing not only is sleek, but it also creates a great feel as though you're writing on paper. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is set to top many rankings of the best photography like Google and Apple phones. The S22 Ultra is a pretty good camera phone. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has a bigger 2.4-megapixel sensor that captures more lighting and info, and a super clear glass lens that captures nocturnal footage without distortions. You also get a 12MP ultra-wide lens and dual 10MP telephoto sensors, which work together to provide 10 times optical zoom and 100 times spatial zoom. With its cameras, Samsung is also pushing hard on computational photography. Adaptable pixel intelligence combines 9 pixels into one for amazing shots in low light, improved artificial intelligence high-resolution processing, and 4 times faster multi-frame computation. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is one of the first phones to use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, a 4nm device that boasts improved CPU and graphics performance while also being more energy efficient. Samsung will provide its own 4nm Exynos 2200 chip in world markets. Despite having only 8GB of RAM, the Galaxy S22 Ultra easily opens and closes apps. The S22 Ultra seemed quicker than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, whether opening or dismissing apps. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery that, according to Samsung, would last more than a day in regular use. However, after testing, the S22 Ultra's best battery performance result is 10 hours and 18 minutes on T-Network Mobile with the 60Hz mode enabled. That's impressive and better than the Google Pixel 6 Pro's 7 hours 55 minutes, but falls short of the S21 Ultra's 11 hours and 25 minutes. The S22 Ultra lasted 8 hours and 50 minutes with the display in the adaptive mode, which scales up to 120 Hz, which is less than we expected. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered by Samsung's One UI 4.1 software, which runs in the background of Android 12. This design, according to Samsung, is more intuitive and functional than earlier iterations, and there's a new privacy panel for further peace of mind. Samsung is also promoting Samsung Wallet, which can merge your electronic payment information, ID, and other information into a single tool. Like Apple's iOS 15 software's Share Play, the new Google Duo app makes it easy to share videos and files over video conversations. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is unquestionably the most flexible and robust Android phone available this side of a fold. It has the most fantastic phone display we've seen, and Samsung's cameras have markedly enhanced, especially in low light, while the powerful zoom remains unrivaled. Ultimately, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the finest luxury Android smartphone, and it comes close to becoming the best phone of all so far. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. What do you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra? Is it a phone you would love to buy? Let us know below in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.